Hey everybody. I feel like I've reached this weird plateau. I'm like I can't break that 200. I can't say that I wasn't cheating a little bit. I had a Wendy's spicy chicken sandwich and onion rings. I had some steak. Um, what else did I have? Anyway, so partially my fault, but like I said, I was losing size, so I'm not worried about it. But I want to break that. I want to break that 200 mark, so I think I'm going to do that today. I'm hoping. So right now, I'm going to see what dose I'm on because I don't even remember. I just got home from work. So this is day number 33, and so that'll be dose number 65. No, yeah, 65. So I'm going to be taking dose 65, and I'll put that in here, day 33. So that'll be dose 65 today, and hopefully when I make my video when I wake up that I will be at 199, 198. I'm pretty sure I will be, because it's just really weird. Salt and everything you eat has a lot of sodium in it. So yeah, just kind of trying to get rid of that salt. But I had was it Bojangles? Yeah, I had Bojangles one day. I was on the road. I went to Frankfurt. So, I've cheated a little bit, so I can't complain, but I've got just a few days left here, so I need to start buckling down. So I got another chili. Wendy's chili is really good. It's and I even read it's really good for when you diet. It's high in protein and not a lot of fat, and so anyway, so that's what I had for dinner last night, and that's what I'm gonna have for dinner tonight, and that's all. So I'm pretty sure that when I wake up and get rid of all this water, that I will be at 199, 198. That's my goal. That's what I'm hoping. So we'll see, because I don't want to go one more day and be at over 200. So we'll see what happens. So we're going to take this dose here, but I already feel great anyway. I've already lost enough weight that I feel really good. So, and this is dose, 65? Yeah, 65. So, here we go, dose 65, and I will see you guys when I wake up, which is in about 8, 9, 10 hours. I got to do some running, then I'm going to go to sleep later on. So I will see you guys when I get up, and I will report my weight. So have a go.